YouTube, it's your girl Rachel, and I'm coming by with a different type of video. This video is my apartment living room tour. If you're interested, please stay tuned. I just want to share with you some of my pieces, well, all of the pieces I buy for my living room, and the different tips and tricks that you can use yourself when you're buying different pieces for your apartment or your home, your living space. We'll go with the biggest item in the room. Of course, that would be my Loveseat and sofa. Now, I had these items prior to moving here. They are from Ashley Furniture. However, I was getting to the point that I didn't like my couch and Loveseat anymore, and I couldn't quite figure out what it was. And then it dawned on me, it was the pillows. I hated the pillows that the couch comes with. I absolutely love the color of the couch, but I hated the pillows. So I used some of my mom's flavors. She likes to have different designs, colors of pillows, but they also sort of blend together with the room. So that's what I decided to do. So I have a few items from Zgallerie in my living room. I kind of like fell in love with it. There's a couple of stores in the Atlanta area, or you can just order online. I learned some new things shopping at Zgallerie, that they have coupons, they have sales, so you don't have to feel overwhelmed by the prices. The very first pillow is from Zgallerie. I got that on clearance. The second pillow is from Tjmaxx. They came 2 in a pair. The third pillow is also from Zgallerie. It was on clearance. And the last pillow, that wasn't initially in my living room. However, when I got my throw rug, which you'll see soon, I decided to add a pop of color to kind of balance out the blues and the gray. On my Loveseat, I have another pillow like the one behind me from Zgallerie. It's kind of like, my sister said, it looks tie-dye-ish, so I guess we can go with the tie-dye pillow. And I have the other aqua turquoise pillow over there, and another gold pillow. And those 2 gold pillows, I'm not sure where they're from, but I've had them already. They were on my bed. I have like a million pillows on my bed, so I just took those 2 since I said, hey, it goes with the throw rug. Let's put them in the living room. And the last item is a throw blanket, which goes with the gray pillow that was also on clearance from Zgallerie. I absolutely love how it transformed my living room with the difference of just changing the pillows. Pillows can make a really big change. After realizing the color scheme I was going for, the throw rug, I was on Ashley Furniture just looking at different throw rugs, because call me crazy, but the before pic that I put in this video, that's not exactly my apartment. But the apartment, when they showed it to me, was carpeted. So the day I moved in and picked up my key and we did our inspection, as soon as I opened the door, I was like, this is not what I want, because it has the hardwood floors. And I was like, that's not what this is not the apartment that y'all showed me. And I was kind of disappointed. And Micah had to snap me into reality. He was like, but mom, it's easier to clean and it looks nicer. And I was like really been out of shape the whole time. And then it dawned on me, and I was like, you know what? I do like the fake hardwood floor. It definitely looks nicer. And I think because it just was so empty, I didn't know what to do. And I knew I needed a throw rug in here. And when I found that throw rug, I said, yo, that's it. That is it. So I got that from ashleyfurniture.com. It came rather quickly. I think I might have had a 10% off coupon, and I had free shipping. One of the first things that I purchased, besides the couch, of course, because I already had it, was the blocked mirror behind me. That is from Zgallerie. Original price, I believe, is like $1.99. I hadn't seen any mirrors quite like that. I've seen a few that were similar in Tjmaxx, but they weren't as distinct or unique, I should say. and I absolutely fell in love with this mirror. Like, I think I saw this maybe in May or April, and we just happened to walk into Zgallerie, and I was like, I have to have that mirror. And at the time, I couldn't afford it. I mean, $200, just preparing for paying tuition, just preparing for life. I was like, you know what, Rachel, you don't need that mirror. You have plenty of mirrors in your apartment. You don't need it. But I was determined to get it. So I purchased the pillows. I purchased a few other pieces, which I will show, and I purchased them online. So then I started getting emails with coupons, and I said, wait a minute, coupons? Zgallerie has coupons? So I decided to purchase the mirror. I got a coupon for like 20% off and free shipping. So I couldn't beat that. So it brought the mirror down around $150, let's say that, around that much. So I was determined, girl, you're getting a mirror. I got the mirror, and I'm very, very happy with my purchase. I love the mirror. I love the blocks. It's just a unique look. The other two items after I got the mirror were the end tables. My end tables are also from Zgallerie. I also bought them with a coupon, and I also have free shipping, because shipping can cost, especially when you're buying things with weight. Along with the end tables, I already had the lamps. I wasn't too fond of the lamps, but I changed the bulbs, and the bulbs are, I think it's natural lighting, because soft light makes the room look yellow. So I bought new bulbs, and I just felt like it kind of goes with the decor. Eventually I might change them, but I do like the lamps. I bought them from Tjmaxx a couple of years ago. I wanted to make sure all the walls pretty much had something. I know it's like, some people might feel like it's too much or it's gaudy or something like that, but I like how I have my living room set up, and I'm the person that has to live here, so that's really all that matters. And I found a piece from Pier 1. It was originally like $199, something crazy, like almost $250. But it's this mosaic flower piece that I have on the wall behind me, and I like, when I saw it, I said, oh my God, I have to have it. It was on clearance for $54 or something like that. And the gentleman was like, well, you know, it's damaged. I said, I can see the damage. I said, however, whoever comes to my house, and if they're pointing out and looking at the damage on there, then they don't need to be at my house. That's what I'm saying. Like, you can't really see the damage like that. So I left the store. I went to Bed Bath & Beyond. I came back to Pier 1, and I said, I want that piece. So I bought it. It doesn't exactly go with everything. However, it has the color scheme of my living room. So it works. It works for me. There's like a splash of pink in there, like light pink. You can't really see it, but and there's really nothing pink in my room here, but I just had to have it. I bought a couple of vases or vases, 2 vases. They're just vases to put somewhere. I got a turquoise one and a white one. They were also from Zgallerie on clearance. I think they're like $9 a piece. I have a bigger vase. When I saw it, I just wanted it, and it's also from Zgallerie. It was on clearance, and I had a coupon, so that was probably about, I don't know, it was less than $20 for that vase. Another vase that I just had to have. I don't really want to put anything in this vase. I just like how it just fits in the room. The last vase, the last item from Zgallerie is another vase that when I saw it, I said, I gotta have it, because it has like a little mirror panel on there. I didn't really know what to do with it, but I just went with the picture that they kind of sort of had on their website with these artificial like flower tree limbs. So I went to Michael's and I bought the colors that I kind of prefer. There's like a pink flowery, and that goes with the the piece from Pier 1 that's on the wall. So I just liked the mix. I felt like that was so pretty. For the last vase, the end table that it's sitting on is from a store called Wisteria. and that was also on clearance. And when I saw it, I said, hey, that's just gonna go. Like, it's a clear acrylic piece. It's heavy. They call it zigzag. It's a zigzag piece, and you can tell because it has a Z. I said, Rachel, you gotta get this piece. And I can't remember how much it costs. It'll flash across the screen. So I had to get that. I recently went to my sister's house in Virginia, and her TV was like booming. And I was like, what? Why does your TV sound like that? It sounds good. It's like surround sound movie. She was like, oh girl, that's my sound bar. I was like, sound bar? So I hadn't really been interested in like a stereo system or anything like that. Now this is the only piece that was like no coupon, no discount or nothing. It probably was about $200. I have an LG TV, and I just said, okay, let me get an LG soundbar. I read the reviews and I absolutely love it. So I knew I wanted this. I had this soundbar, but I had nothing to sit it on. I had nothing to sit my cable box on when I first moved here. Not really interested in like a television stand. I have no interest in a coffee table. Like certain things I just don't want in my living room. I've had them before and it just crowds the space. So I was on Overstock and I saw this glass like console, and I said, you know what? That would be perfect for my living room. This is before I bought the zigzag table, but I just felt like this would just go with my living room, with my idea I had trapped in my head. And I was like, okay, so I measured my sound bar. I said, okay, perfect, it's gonna fit on there. My cable box, it's gonna fit on there. Word, this is what I want. I was on Overstock, found it, fell in love with it. I was like, oh, I like this. I said, okay, I'm gonna look on Amazon. So I looked on Amazon, and I wasn't looking for it, I was just looking. And I found the same exact glass console for cheaper. I was like, wait a minute, so Overstock trying to play me? They trying to play me with the prices? Of course, I bought it from Amazon. Very easy to put together, very reasonable price. It was under $100. I am happy and I am pleased. So I have my sound bar sitting on top of this console, and my cable box is sitting on the bottom. I knew that my TV was going to be put on the wall. Living in an apartment is kind of hard to cover up the wires, and my wires are not completely covered up, which is okay. But the ones hanging down from the TV to the sound bar, those are basically covered up, basically. So I had a friend, he was able to hook me up. That little piece, that white piece thingy was from Home Depot, and it was like less than $15. So that is hooked up. All right, so on to the TV. But prior to moving here, I knew I was buying a new television. I wanted a bigger TV. I wanted something, you know, that just is just better. I just wanted a better, bigger television. So I was actually gifted a TV, and it was smaller. And I said, oh man, I think I'm gonna just take that TV back to Walmart and put that money towards a new TV. And I felt so guilty that I did that. So the person that bought me the TV, I told him, I said, hey, I took that that TV you bought me, I never took out the box, you gave it a receipt. I took it back to Walmart and I went and got a new TV. So I didn't pay for my new TV totally out of pocket. And that month was July. I had won $250 from the lottery. So I didn't pay anything. God is so good. Like, it just came right on time that I won that money and I was able to get my bigger television. So God is so good, and I'm so blessed. The very, very last item, I was at my mother's house. We were at the Home Goods, one of the Home Goods stores in Atlanta, and she saw a mirror. It was bigger. She was like, oh, I like this mirror. And I was like, yeah, this is nice. It was a nice mirror. And I think it was around $60 or something like that. And she said, I want this mirror at my front door instead of the mirror I have there. And I was like, oh, okay, yeah, that would be nice. That would be nice. And she said, well, what am I gonna do with that other mirror? I said, hello, you can give it to me. And she was just like, oh, okay, you can have the mirror. I was like, oh, okay, I can have the mirror. So Took the mirror down, brought it on home, and flipped it over on the back. I said, this was $200. This mirror was $200 from Pier 1. I said, okay, that was an awesome gift. I'll take it. It's a hand-me-down, but it's a mirror and I like it. It is cute. And I call that my sleeping beauty mirror, because it just makes you feel like you want to say, mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? I absolutely love that mirror. They still have that available on Pier 1's website if you are wanting to spend $200 on that. And I just assume it costs that much because of the details of the mirror, and I absolutely love it. The only thing I do not like the only thing I do not like is cleaning this mirror and that mirror. Now this mirror, cleaning this mirror, when I tell you that's a chore, I got to turn my music on and just go to town. It is a total chore. So the very last two items that I had purchased for my living room, I just saw them last week. Again, when I get in my moments and I have to have something, I just get it. They are from Tjmaxx. So I got a new pillow. The pillow says it's fall, y'all. Same color scheme as my living room. And I also got a little pumpkin. Same color scheme as my living room. I was like, yo, they just know that this is for me. I had to have it. So those are my two little fall thingies that I have in my living room. I don't normally decorate for the season. However, I fell in love with these two things. I just said, Rach, you just out here doing the daggone most. And guess what? I don't care. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was longer. I just wanted to get everything out and to really show you guys what I purchased. I know a lot of you guys have like complimented me on my apartment. When you see me take different or post different pictures or whatever, you're like, oh man, it looks really nice in there. And I'm like, hey, thank you. And hey, I'm just happy. I'm just like really, I feel really, really good about how I have everything set up. And I'm still working on my bedroom. I'm still working on my fitness / beauty room. My dining room is good to go. My kitchen is good to go, but I'm working on a few pieces to put in my bedroom, and I'm thinking about changing the color scheme because right now my fall bedroom bedding is the same color as this, and I don't need to see this color throughout the whole entire freaking house. So I'm gonna figure out what to do there. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and check me out soon on my next video. Peace. See my girl. And I got some new lighting. I don't know how this is gonna look, but I hope it looks okay. But I got some new lighting because the only downfall is this apartment is dark. And I'm on the back side of the building and it's dark as hell. It's a whole bunch of trees. But my power bill is on point. Okay.